Today is a great day for all patients that have ever suffered from breast cancer. For today, we have a chance to prevent this disease from ever touching our children and grandchildren. The first preventive breast cancer vaccine clinical trial was launched today on clinicaltrials.gov. 10 long years I've been involved with Dr. Tui, but he's put in a lot more than that. So we are now ready to recruit patients to begin the trial. I want to say a great thank you to all of you for all you have done to motivate us, to keep us going, to encourage us, and also contributed so many times with your time, talent, and financial support. And I can't thank you enough. If I could set off fireworks, I would. It's like the 4th of July for breast cancer, because we're going to be liberated from this disease. Thank you to these amazing doctors, Dr. Vincent Tui, Dr. Justin Johnson, and Dr. Thomas Budd. So please watch the video to follow, and thank you again. And a world without breast cancer is finally ahead. Thank you so much. Welcome, and thank you for joining me. I would like to begin by asking you a question. Isn't it time we discover if the primary prevention of breast cancer is possible? By primary, I mean to prevent the disease from ever developing at all. Today, it is my great pleasure and with overwhelming joy that I tell you that, yes, it's time. Yes, it is possible, and the time to try it is now. For those of you I have not had the pleasure of meeting, whether at conferences or on social media, my name is Judy Fitzgerald, and I'm a 12-year breast cancer survivor. 12 years ago, I had just finished my last teaching assignment before retiring and was looking forward to spending the winter in Florida with my husband and family. Well, a mammogram had other plans for me. This mammogram led to canceled plans and would set a tornado in motion that would result in a double mastectomy and 12 months of treatment. When my surgical treatment was complete, I, like so many other survivors, faced the dreaded fear of the R word, recurrence. My teacher training led me to research everything I could find online and in print on cancer prevention strategies. It was then I discovered the work of Dr. Vincent Tui at the Lerner Research Institute of the Cleveland Clinic. Dr. Tui had discovered that breast cancer cells expressed a protein called alpha-lactalbumin, which could be used as a possible target for a vaccine. This protein should only be present when mothers are nursing a child. It should then be retired. This retired protein hypothesis led to the formulation of a vaccine that was 100% effective in preventing cancer in laboratory mice. I then contacted Dr. Tui and later traveled to his lab to learn more. I was incredulous to learn that the only obstacle from taking this incredible work from bench or the lab to bedside to the clinic was lack of funding. After I had just endured a year of tests, surgeries, and treatment, I knew I had to find a way to test this vaccine. If there was a way others could be spared my journey, I needed to help. So this became my passion, to help in any way possible to make this vaccine available to patients. For the past 12 years, I have been a passionate advocate for what we have dubbed the pink vaccine. Much blood, sweat, and many tears have happened over these years, and many, many times it seemed it would be an impossible goal to achieve. There were so many obstacles to overcome to obtain the funding for this trial, but the main obstacle was changing the treatment paradigm for breast cancer from treatment to prevention. Why wait for the disease to invade when it could be prevented from ever occurring? The question was, could the primary prevention of breast cancer be possible in humans? 4 years ago, with a grant award of $6 million from the U.S. Department of Defense Breast Cancer Research Fund, the steps necessary to accomplish the phase 1 human trials of this vaccine began to happen. I am honored to serve as a patient advocate on the clinical trial team. It has been a trial of patience and tenacity for Dr. Tui's team, but the vaccine is finally ready. My heart is full of gratitude, love, joy, and so many unexplainable emotions as I tell you and make this following incredible announcement. That application to participate in the phase 1 clinical trial of the pink vaccine is now open for patient enrollment. Finally, this vaccine will transition from the lab to the clinic. Our wonderful Dr. Thomas Budd and his incredible medical team at the Taussig Cancer Center of the Cleveland Clinic in Ohio will direct the vaccine program in patients. A visionary Silicon Valley biotech company, Anixa Biosciences, and its CEO, Dr. Amit Kumar, has partnered with the Cleveland Clinic team to move this vaccine to commercialization. Anixa Bioscience has exclusive worldwide licenses to the vaccine technology and is a publicly traded biotech company which develops a number of programs addressing both cancer and infectious diseases. Full details and inquiries about the trial can be found at the link I will include at the end of this video. But I would like to take the time to explain the 3 main criteria for patients to be selected for the trial. First and foremost, you must be diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer. As we all know, sadly, this type of cancer is the most aggressive and usually has the worst prognosis. You must also be within 3 years of completing your treatment, and you must be deemed by your oncologist to be no evidence of disease. Those meeting the above criteria are encouraged to register for consideration by contacting the Cleveland Clinic at CancerAnswer@ccf.org. That's CancerAnswer@ccf.org. All the links to participate in the trial may also be found on my website, www.sisters4prevention.com. That's www.sisters4prevention.com. I am also available to answer questions. You may email me at sistersforprevention@yahoo.com. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to everyone who donated or supported me in my advocacy efforts for this vaccine. You have always responded generously with your time, talent, and financial support. Please know that this incredible milestone in finding a cure for and preventing breast cancer would not have been possible without your love, efforts, and support over these last 11 years. Now, friends, the best is yet to come. We can finally test this vaccine in human trials, and now look forward to imagining a world without breast cancer. It's the best legacy we can leave our children and grandchildren. For as Dr. Tui has always said, prevention is the cure. So stay tuned. Until next time, check my website for the latest updates. Stay safe, stay healthy, and may the good Lord bless you. Thank you.